Hey y'all, same here, and today we're going to unbox the February Boxy Charm box. Boxy Charm is one of my favorite beauty subscriptions. It is $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size to deluxe-size sample beauty products. So, this month we're going to do this box a little bit different. I did already open it up, took a sneak peek, because this month I want to try everything on. That is why I have a clean face right now. So with that thought in mind, I am glad that I opened the box first because there is a face wash in the box this month. This product here is by FARMACY, and it is a Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser. And the full size is $22. I certainly don't think this is a full size. So this cleansing gel is supposed to wash away impurities, pollution residue from your skin, as well as makeup. And it's supposed to be pretty natural. So I was excited to try this. However, I did wash my face with it and it felt great. My skin wasn't super dry afterwards. So it was off to a really good start. But then like an hour after I used it, my cheeks started getting like really hot. They've been kind of flushed since then. I don't know if you guys can see that, if the camera is picking it up or not. But it's made my skin kind of like red and blotchy. My skin felt really, really hot. So for me, I had some kind of reaction to it. So I probably won't use this again. This cleanser has a very mild scent to it. I'd say it smells mostly like soap, but a little hint of like essential oils in there. What kind of essential oils? I'm not 100% sure. Alright, so digging into the box, the next product we have here is no Poreblems, like pore for your face, if you get it. And this is from Touch and Soul, and it is supposed to be a light, silky texture that blurs your pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. And it also has green tea and collagen in it to act as an adhesive to help make your makeup stay longer. Alright, so I'm just going to give this bottle a shake. This is 1 fluid ounce, so I'm sure this is a full-size primer, and this retails for $18. One pump did give us a pretty decent amount of primer here. I probably didn't need to press down so hard. We're gonna dab it on. A dab a dab it. A dab a dab. A dab a dab a do time. Alright, we'll rub it in. Okay, so the primer went on rather well. I put primer everywhere. I don't know about other people, but I put it all over my entire face. My face, I almost feel like it feels a little greasy, but it could not be greasy. It could be that silky feeling that they were talking about. It feels very soft. I think it did a nice job of filling in the pores with the primer. So now we just need to put some foundation on. I think this foundation is new. I just picked it up at Walmart actually today, and it's the L'Oreal Paris Infallibles 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I got the color 425. And so I'm going to go ahead and try this out today, and we'll see how we like it. So here is half of my face with the foundation on, half without. I definitely think this foundation is melding into the skin really well, which that I'm excited about. It doesn't look cakey, because I can't stand when my foundation looks cakey. So far so good. Let me finish this up. Alright, off camera, I went ahead and finished off my powder, contour, blush, a little eyeshadow, and as well as my brows. So, let's see what else we have in this month's Boxy Charm that we should go ahead and try on. Alright, so the next item is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is a highlighter in Shimmering Swan. That is the name of the color. This retails for $32. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and swatch this on my hand using a brush. Oh, yeah, I can definitely see a shimmer there. Let's do a hand swatch. My phone's beeping. It seems to be kind of like a rose gold shimmer. It's not typically the color I would normally choose. I would typically go with more of like a champagne, a little whiter color than pink, but we're going to go ahead and try her out. Well, she definitely glows, so that is good. The color actually doesn't look so pink on. It does seem to give me a little bit more of that champagne kind of effect that I normally like. I actually really like this highlighter. It has a nice gold shift to it though. Alright, so let's see what else we have in the box. So the next item we have in the bag is a lipstick, and this is from TRESTIQUE. And it looks like a crayon, and you pull it off, and that is the lipstick. Good color. I think it's going to look really nice. The name of the color is English Rose, and then down here it says primer inside. Okay, so you pull this off, and then there is a little primer on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and put the primer on first then. This set retails for $25. Okay, so the primer is pretty sheer, like a slight whiteness to my lips, but barely. Okay, one thing that's really cool about this lipstick is the top is magnetic. Watch, watch. It just like pulls it back on. That is great for when this is in your purse. Let's do a swatch of the color. So here is the color. Here is the English Rose color on my lips. I do like this formula. I'm not sure I like this applicator, like how it's flat like this. It worked really nice to get a straight line along the bottom of the lip. However, when you get to like the widow's peak, I felt like it was a little harder. But overall, I do like the color. I'm sure it's not going to be kiss proof, but let's go ahead and try. No, it's not kiss proof. It didn't have too much transfer though. It is a little bit of a thinner formula than like a regular lipstick. So then the last item in my Boxy Charm for February is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I've definitely tried this mascara before, and I really do like this mascara. It's been a few months, probably like 5 or 6 months since I've used it, so we're going to go ahead and test her out today and just see what we think. This mascara retails for $24. I'm going to go ahead and curl one side and not curl the other side just to see how different they end up looking. If I'm not going to wear false lashes, I do like to curl my lashes to make them look a little longer. Okay, I zoomed you in here so that way you can hopefully see my eyes because I have the smallest, tiniest eyelashes. Here's the wand. I like the wand. It's nice and fluffy, lots of little bristles. Okay, so there's one coat on both eyes, and like I said, tiny lashes. So we're going to go in for coat number 2 now. Alright, so that is 2 coats of the mascara, which we're getting there, but I still want more. I still need more. Let's go for coat number 3. Okay, so now we have 3 coats on both eyes. I could probably go for a 4th coat, but we're going to stop there. Honestly, it did a good job of lifting my lashes because this is the side I curled and this is the side I didn't curl. And I feel like they're showing about the same. Overall, I'm very pleased with this month's box. At first I was a little disappointed that there was not a palette in this month's box. However, this highlighter ended up being really, really good. And I'd probably get more use out of this than I will an actual eyeshadow palette because I already have so many of those. So I'm not disappointed after trying this out. I really do like this. The mascara is great and this is worth the entire box's value on its own. The lipstick and the primer are both nice products as well. I am happy with those. I do feel like this definitely helped my skin feel smoother. My foundation lay a little smoother as well. So I'm interested to try this out for the next week and see if my skin gets oily afterwards because it does feel slightly oily after I put it on. but they said it's going to feel silky. And so it does feel silky. So I don't know if I'm confusing silky with oily or what. But we're going to try her out for a little while and see how she continues to work. The only thing in this box that I did not like was this face wash. The face wash worked great, that kind of stuff. It smelled great. I just had a reaction to it. So overall this month we got $121 in our box, and we paid $21 for it. So $100 and extra products is definitely worth a subscription box to me. So if you have not already subscribed to Boxy Charm, I definitely suggest you do so. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can use my referral. I don't get paid from them or anything like that. I buy this box myself, but I get like referral points where I can get like extra free products if someone signs up using my code. So if you're interested, definitely use it. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, bye y'all!